Everyone seeks lost civilizations, but what if the true accounts are right before us? Here's the story of the Igbos in Equatorial Guinea. The Igbos, a principal ethnic group from southeastern Nigeria, found themselves upon the shores of Equatorial Guinea through a tragic period, the transatlantic slave trade. Captured and transported by European traders, many Igbo men and women arrived on the island of Bioko and the mainland region of Rio Muni. Yet even in exile, the Igbos influenced local life, enriching culture with their language, beliefs and traditions. Over generations, their descendants became known as the Fernandinos, blending Igbo heritage with Spanish and local customs. Presently, traces of Igbo names, foods and even rituals remain in Equatorial Guinea, a living testament to survival and adaptation. So next time you hear of Equatorial Guinea, remember, it is not merely a country. It is a place of remembered and forgotten histories. History enthusiasts, which hidden histories would you like to learn about next? Share your ideas below.